Hello guys, welcome again to day 2 of trying to develop our own startup. Well, basically designing and creating, developing our project. Today we'll be doing the designing our screens. We left from where we left that yesterday. Well, not really because I went some into I was reading some of the documentation and I got to well, I understand basically a little bit better how this works. So I have just to change some of the colors because it was just too much of too many. I had too many colors. I still have too many colors. Some stuff that I have to make more pleasing to the eye. So we will go from our palette color here. These are gonna be our main components. I guess white it's gonna cover 60% of our screen. Then it's gonna go blue, which is gonna cover around 30%, and black and gray are gonna cover 5 and 5. So if I'm not wrong, that's 100%. And yeah, so I changed the name here. That's not official yet, but that's what we're working with. I put some images here just to have a better understanding that how is it going. Now, I just want to see how this map is gonna look, cause yeah, I wanna be able to see. Let me see. This is a plugin that I got. It's Magician. Basically, just generates images or give me images. So yeah, it's free. Well, that was not really what I was expecting. So I'll just go and take map, literally that. Well, not literally that, maybe map, Google Map. And if that doesn't work, I'm just gonna open maps and that's it. And I'm gonna open it up here on the Toulouse. I'm just gonna take a screenshot over here and I'm gonna put that. See, that's gonna look something like this. It's gonna have a maybe a small circle to show the area where it's located. That's the point. It's gonna be passed through like just, well, that's too much. Maybe 50%. We're gonna have a stroke here of well, that's gonna be color of our this one over here. I'm gonna save it. I don't know how to save it yet, but I gotta see how do I put it somewhere. And yeah, this is gonna be to that, but it's just gonna be a pass through. Maybe 30. Oh no, that doesn't work like that. It's gonna be 100% and this is gonna be at 30%. Yeah, and this is gonna tell us where is it located, I guess over here. This is gonna be a little description. We will want to have well, I can use this component that I got over here, although I don't like the no no. We don't have our main component. That's bad. That's bad. Okay, it doesn't matter. We're just gonna change here. Well, we'll do that later. It doesn't matter. We're gonna define it here. We're not gonna make it gray because I don't know. Maybe that's just not the best way. Maybe here we don't really have a color. We have a stroke maybe, but not a color. Something like this, and here just gonna be no feel. So we can just center this. Oh yeah, I have. You see, sometimes I have some trouble picking on these because I don't get to take only what I want. I don't know how to do that. It's because it's a whole component now. This is stroke or not? No, that's not a stroke. So what is this? Okay. So if I wanna move the price, I can't. Or what? I'm gonna give a frame to it because it's just, I guess, easier to move around. I cannot give a frame to it. Well, I cannot modify it. What's going on? Why am I not able to do that? Why isn't it working? It's like I just, oh, because it's instantiated. Okay, so I gotta delete it and bring the original one that it's over. Oh no. And what is the original one? Oh, okay. So now I made this my main component. And now I can just modify it freely. Hopefully. I don't understand why. This ain't working. So now that I made it its own component, can I modify it? Why is this happening? So basically you're telling me I'm having a component inside of a component. Yes, this is what I want. To be able to just delete it. Okay. Okay, so now I'm just gonna detach it. And now I'm gonna make it a component. Okay, this is gonna be the this is gonna be the The asset in the list. Okay, just give me a second, boys, please. We're back, guys. So, as I was saying, we're gonna keep going with this. This is our main component. I guess we're gonna put it here on the top. Hmm, maybe having the same distance, something like this. Yeah. Here, I'm gonna make it a little bit bigger because I wanted to have enough space. So we're gonna have our. I'm gonna remove these and I'm just gonna leave my characteristics. I'm gonna put a frame on it. I'm gonna make it. Well, think I can do it like this. Oh nope, nope. Yeah, there you go. We have our frame now. We wanna stroke. No, actually we wanna fill these with our favorite color. Our frame was over here. We're gonna put it our frame, and it's not for the stroke. It's for the fill. It's for the fill. That's weird. And I guess I'm gonna give it the same dimensions as this one. Just the card button. It's gonna be a. Wait. Oh. This usually it's over here. I just can't find it now for some reason. Mm, 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 mm. I don't know where is it. Why it's not here. Oh yeah, that's an instance, so it's not modifiable. This one's the original one. But still doesn't have what we want. Why is that? I have no clue. Sometimes sometimes I have just no idea what's going on. Yeah, cause it's our card button and here for some strange reason. What is our padding? I don't know. I do not find my padding. Auto layout. I used to do it from here. 20, 20, 15. Yeah, maybe it's something like this, but that's not precisely what I want here. I don't understand what's going on. Maybe I can use an instance of this component. Mm. Why? Yeah, maybe something more like this. Here we can just go to our rectangles. I'm gonna make an instance of this. Well, not an instance, but a component. Hmm. Here I'm gonna put. I'm gonna give it not a stroke this now, but like I'm gonna make it a component. Mm, 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 mm. Why is it that sometimes I just cannot find it? Okay, I do it. I guess I gotta work with what I have. And clip component. No, that's not. That's it. Not either. Maybe boom, 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 boom. Nope. Auto layout. No, 15. No, not. 10. 12. Yeah, it's something more. I kind of like it more. Yeah, basically these are gonna be. I know I'm gonna make these a component because I wanna be able to modify it as times as I want. But sometimes I just cannot find it. I guess I cannot make a component from a single one, so I just make two of them. and go from there. Wait, I think I have an icon here. I very much want to know what this main component, why is that he was able to do it and I'm not able to do it. Nope. Well, yeah, that's better because they are like smaller ones. I want to add a variant to it. Yeah, that's not what I wanted to do. I want to know why is it. Oh, there we go. Why I cannot put this in here? So let me just check. These are all instances of that one. Yeah. Last time I did that, yeah, it's working. Yeah, I don't want to have a bunch of eyes over here, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, I'll take the two last ones and I make a copy of it and I put it over here. Yeah, I guess that's it for now. I'm just gonna maybe group them for now. I'll do just a group or a group selection because I don't want it to change. Oh, nope, it was a group selection. What's the difference? I thought I could give them this property over here. Okay. And to this one, I can just, I believe I could remove this the fill, and I just can leave like a stroke over here, and the stroke make it from that color. So I'll just do something like this. Nope. Yep. Yep. Yeah, something like this. And here I'll just make it like a 3 maybe. No, too much. A 2. That's just a simple stuff. I don't know why I'm giving so much to this. That's not gonna be the important part. But yeah, so we're gonna have the map over here. Something like this. Yeah, surely we wanna give it the same height, the same height and width. That's what I was trying to say. Here we're gonna have some small description. Card button. Why do I have two of them? Well, there's gonna be price tag. There's gonna be this text gonna be not for use. Hmm. Yeah, it's way cleaner. Actually, it can stay like this. No, but I need to put some text inside, so something over here. I'll use some .mip soon over here. Maybe a couple of sentences. So I'll just have to do it non-bold or light. No, just like at 20%, that's too much, but we're gonna make this smaller too. Yeah, we can just move this over here. That's just too much. Maybe something like this. Yeah, maybe, or that's too big. I believe that's too big still. 320, 310. Yeah, I believe that could work. Maybe all this stuff you wanna see more, you'll just have to go inside. This one's gonna be here, and that's it. Then we're just gonna create more instances of our, like this, maybe just like this, another one over here. And yeah, just go on and on. Mm, maybe we put them on a frame, and this gonna be component. Uh, list of assets. This one maybe is too big. It could just be like 500 just for design. And I could just make them a little bit more, separate them from each other. Like you can just give outer grid and just like 40 more, maybe 50, 60. Yeah, something like this. So you open this one and you can see the info. But oh yeah, no, you're right, because you're gonna be able to see one. Maybe like this, I don't know. Maybe we can change it later. This is gonna be something over here, and we'll put hmm. Maybe we can put something over here, like an image, our logo. Something like a banner over here. Maybe our same name here, but just with a background, like a cool background over here. So like this over here, and it's gonna have just a stroke. No, not that. Like it's gonna have a frame. We'll just have maybe that one could be gray or blue, because that's just gonna be a thin line, like this. Maybe just a little bit wider. Something like this. And here we just give it 100 more, 150. more 200 or maybe 100%, 90%. Doesn't work? No. 290. More. Maybe we can just define the width with this. What? Something like this. Yep. And we're just gonna put our something like this maybe. This might be, we might put it bigger over here, just like this part, like a 40 maybe. Not 40, too much. 35, 30. And this one in exchange we just make it bigger, and we just give more dimensions to the words. Maybe just 32. Oh, it went bigger. We also have to make this one row a little bit. 15 more. 30. 30. Why not 50? No, no, no. Too much. 35. 35. And this one we just make it smaller again because it's too much. Do it? No, but like 10. No. Yeah, the only thing is that this is not gonna be centered, and with the centered title, that just doesn't look good. Like there's something off. Well, who knows? Let me just check how it's going. So just log in. Too big? Maybe. It's not bad. Yeah, this gotta go. The next page. This I have to put some images here just to see how this gonna look like. I need to copy this image, but I don't know how to take that one image and put it here. I guess I just take something from Google. Room rent. Nice room. Mm, something like this. This definitely not gonna go blue. We just gotta put some. Well, actually, that's not just. Just for the sake of the example, we're gonna use something more white here. I think I have some images on my downloads. 12, no, I do not have them. But yeah, this looks nice. Thank you for the owner. Here, I'm just gonna put some blue. Yeah, yeah, that's 100 times better. What is this? Let me just try to make it without that. I'll just give it a stroke. That's gonna be this color. No, that doesn't work like that. Just gonna give a frame. The frame's gonna have a feel. It's gonna be that color. Now I'm gonna give it 100%. Yeah, that's not gonna work. That's gonna work. Yep. Yep, buddy. mm, Maybe a little bigger. Yeah, why not? Mm-mm. Maybe that font it's just not looking good. I'll just take it out. Put no fill. Maybe put a stroke. Okay, I have an idea. Yes. That's better. I'm gonna group them all, but I'm gonna make a frame, and then I'm gonna delete it. Just like this. Where's my frame? The frame, I'm gonna take the big rectangle, I'm gonna take it off. I'm gonna take the frame, I'm gonna rename it, I'm gonna put it images directory. So I have my frame, left, right arrow, left arrow, a rectangle. What's this? And our image, we're just gonna give it a stroke of no, D9099, and this is gonna have a 2 5, no, 3, and this, yeah, that's not nice. That's the same stuff. It's just gonna be D9. Yeah, I think it's better. Maybe not the best, but it's nice, I believe. If it's not black, maybe it's not, maybe black. Yeah, the same with this. I'm just gonna group them up. We have our main component here, built out of many components. No, 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 no. Rectangle. Why do we have a rectangle here? Exactly. Why? Yep. Yeah, maybe that's not gonna work that way. So we just ungroup and we change it to a frame. Mm, I don't know if it's a good idea to have everything like on squares, or that's just not nice. Maybe just can stay like that, like, or very very thin layer, like so, 40%. Wow, here I did something really really crazy. Yeah, I need to change all these colors. Just maybe these actually can be on a. God damn it. On Grub. I'm just gonna frame it right now. Uh, I guess I still have to do it, so I'm just gonna go ahead, copy this one, and paste it over here. I'm just gonna delete this one. Why I cannot delete it? It's because it is on a frame. What? Oh, I just have too many of them. Okay, so I'm just gonna place it right over here. I'm gonna call that Monday. I'm gonna put an L on it. I'm gonna give it, or maybe numbers. What's better? Numbers. Yeah, I'm just gonna put like, just imagine this is the first one. Oh, I'll have to do one, each one of them. Well, I'm still gonna have to do one of them. You know what? The stroke's gonna be color. I need it to be on the center, so that's not gonna work for us. Mm. That's gonna be, yeah. Let's just take this out. What? I'm just trying to clean it up a little bit because apparently I have a lot of items that I didn't know I had. Yeah, one, two. I'm just gonna go and do something like this. I'll just. Mm, because I just want it to look pretty, so I guess I'll just do it like that, like this now. I'll just have to put them all on a frame. I don't know if I first have to like. Calendar row. And here just go over the layout and yeah, basically something like this, and they'll just have to, yes, something like this, and maybe just space around. I don't remember. Nope. Mm-mm, mm-mm, mm-mm. Yeah, something like this. No. Yeah, and these two of these ones are gonna be they're gonna have actually another color. They're just gonna be, I don't know, gray. And I'm just gonna frame these two, and this one I'm just gonna put it like, of course, in a row. I don't know, 30 maybe. And these I'm just gonna put it a little bit higher. Well, actually, if I want to put, I'm also gonna need to frame these. I'll just make a just something very simple here. Here we're gonna have the month to choose. We're gonna have something like this. Maybe one last row. Yeah, yeah. Maybe I was missing some one last row here. But this one's gonna be just Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Yeah, that looks not alright. Gotta see how do I make that work, because that's not gonna work. I think I gotta unframe these ones. You I gotta unframe them. Like, how the hell did I unframe? I can make a frame inside another frame, but I cannot take out a frame. Oh yeah, I can. Yeah, now these ones we're gonna put. This is gonna be complicated because I wanna ungroup all of these ones, and I'll just take this like this, and I'll group this like this, frame selection, and I'll just auto layout. No, 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 no. You know, that's a problem. That's what I wanted to do. We're gonna frame that, and we are gonna frame that, and I'm gonna put out a layout. We're gonna do a column. Saturday, Sunday over here. Our Monday, we're gonna take these the same, the same, the same. We're gonna frame it. We're gonna auto layout. We need to include this one. Well, no, we don't really need to include it. We just can make another one. That's it. No, that one not. And we just delete all the others, including these. So basically, And we take our precious blue here again. And that's it. Yes, 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 that's it. Mm-mm. Yep, that's it. You know what? I don't even need to bother doing that. I just need to delete this and clone this one. That's it. Sometimes we forgot. I'm sorry. And that's it. And we just frame them together and just put a, I don't know, to the left. And that's it. I believe that's better. It's been fun, huh? Hi. Me too. I do love you. Sorry. Okay, now we're gonna attack these ones. Basically, we'll just copy the color here, paste it here, give it some question here. No, yeah, 90. And here, 100%. We still need to place the price tag over here. And I guess we can have several categories here, like just like sofa, payments, something like that. How does it work? And if we need more space, we just go below and that's it. No, if the user wants to make a question, he's gonna go directed to this place. All the background is gonna hover. So basically, yeah, this is gonna be all one stuff. This is not gonna exist at all. We're gonna duplicate this one. Duplicate, duplicate, duplicate. You know what? I think I can do this. You know, that's why you pay attention on classes. I'm just gonna make a frame over the frame, a frame over asset page. I'm gonna make a frame over this frame. This frame will be called frame 8. Lord. This one I'm just gonna I'm gonna I just wanna blurry everything. How do I do that? Like just make everything unusable basically. Oh well, I gotta fix this before I forget. These ones I'm just gonna join them because I don't wanna destroy it. These ones too, I don't wanna destroy them. Although it's not best practice, it works right now. I have two headers. I'm gonna erase one. That's it. This is category component description. That's good. That's good. That's good. That's great actually. Okay, this is our second one. That we need to know how to blurry. I believe there is a that you can use, yeah, like onion selection, but maybe I'll just break it. Maybe I did break it. I don't know. Yep, 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 yep. No, I pressed the same button again. I don't understand why do they all lose the same. Okay, I believe I just made a vector out of it, so maybe, just maybe, this is all like one thing and I can just edit it all in once. But because it's a vector, so I guess I can just make it. What? Blurry screen on the Figma. Yeah, something like that. Uh, okay, I believe this works. That does not work because I do not want this frame to blurry. This is just not nice. So I gotta see what do I do with that. I'll just wait. This is too strong. I believe this is too strong. Like the color is just, it's just not nice. Maybe I'll just try doing this a frame. This is gonna be called question screen. Question screen. This is gonna be called question box. Sand. I do not like that sand over there, so maybe I'm just gonna erase this. I'm gonna make it have its own frame. Just send. Here I'm just gonna make it layout. I'm gonna center it maybe over here. Here I'm gonna put it as I feel white, but 20, 20, 30, 50, 60, 30, 15. No, this is gonna be subject. Mm, maybe I'm gonna give it a 50 here. 150. I'm gonna give it a. Why is it centered? If I do not want it centered, that's not a very nice. Why? Why do you think white's the best option here? Our subject just giving me so much trouble now. I have no idea why. This is not supposed to be like this. It's supposed to be. Why is it not obeying? Really? Oh yeah, but I need my text to be that side. But why? I just wanna know why. Here, I'll just give it a also rounded. I guess it was 50. Yeah. Here, it's gonna be a little different. It's just gonna have mm, this is what I do not understand. If I'm telling you, oh, it's because it's padding, the freaking padding, man. You got me crazy on that one. Well done, well done. I'm forgetting about my stuff. That cannot happen again. That cannot happen again. Here it's just gonna be at number 2, like the other one. And that's it. That's it. Maybe. No. Maybe both of them can be this color. Not the text. The text gonna be black. 100%. Nope. That's nice. That's better. I just gotta find out how to do it on. Oh, this was the are you signing? Yeah. Well, that's sad. What is this? Okay, this section 1. This one's gonna stay. Asset list page. Home page. Authentication pop-up. Okay, it was this one. Well, we have to do the same stuff with that one. Okay, I'll just copy this. Yep. This I want to delete. This I'll just double. That's it. Oh, that was way easier than I thought. Yes, you're right. That's why you paste it not there, but there. And we just gotta. Well, that's it for today. I think we did great. We have done some good stuff. Pretty nice stuff, actually. I like it. That's enough for me. And I now know that I can do this. Well, the vector was not even necessary, but I know I can do this. Layer blower 10. And that's it. It's nice. It's pretty nice. Well, guys, thank you so much. That's it for today. It's kind of late here. It's Monday tomorrow. I gotta work. But yes, thank you very much for staying. Thank you very much for being here with me.